The George Wiley Center is important because it assists people with their utility payments and economic and social justice. On the day that I was shut off, obviously, I have 2 children at home, and I panicked. I had major surgery, and without gas, I couldn't cook. I was cooking my food in a microwave. A week after they shut me off, my husband had a heart attack on top of everything else. George Wiley, they help people to try to help them, help themselves to get back on their feet when their utilities have been shut off. So I turned to them so that I could be able to put the gas back on. My kids were taking showers, cold showers, and we were unable to cook at home. And so I told my children that the water heater broke because I didn't want them to know what happened. And once I got into the George Wiley Center, they immediately assisted me, and my gas was turned back on without further issue within 24 hours. And I've now gotten my medical protection put back in place in the form of a letter that cannot be taken away from me. What would happen with the percentage of income payment plan is that your payments would be based on your income and based on the federal poverty level. And so that would reduce the amount that a person who is poverty level would have to pay on a monthly basis. For myself, sometimes my bills, when my husband was out of work to take care of me and out of work for his own heart attack, our bills were over 50% of what we were actually getting into our household for income. And this program would allow you to pay a percentage versus an actual usage based on the current rate. We have ever-increasing taxes. We have an ever-increasing insurance bill.
How could we stop that? So PIPP was here before. PIPP was a program they closed, and PIPP is in a lot of different states, and it's working out good.
If they had enacted the PIPP program before I got sick, I wouldn't owe them $5,000, right?
We need to unite. Anybody who see this and see me speak, please have a heart for our kids, have a heart for the community. Let's stand together, strong.